Hello guys, in this week tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to disable WhatsApp call notifications. So peradventure you're a very busy person, you will need this setting. You need to learn this so that you stop WhatsApp from disturbing you with call notifications from probably strangers or random people that you don't want to disturb you with calls. Do you understand? So just follow this tutorial step by step as I show you how to go about it. So for you to do this, you need to go to your WhatsApp. I'm using normal WhatsApp, not the WhatsApp business. The settings are pretty much the same, so you can also use this setting on your WhatsApp business. So what you do right here is you come over to these three dots up here. So once you click on it, you click on where you have setting, then over here you scroll down to find notifications. Can you see that? So open notifications. There are so many things you can do right here. You can block so many notifications right here from this part of your setting on WhatsApp, but I'll be showing you two most important setting you should touch. So come over to where you have calls. So right here you click on ringtone. Can you see that? You can see we have default. So come to where you have classic themes and ensure you choose none right here. So that's the first setting, guys. So once people call you, you will not receive any ringtone on your phone. That's the first setting to disabling call notifications. So once you're done with that, then you move ahead to the second part, which is where you have vibrate. So normally if they are calling you, your phone is meant to vibrate. If they are calling your WhatsApp, your phone is meant to vibrate. So just tap on this vibrate right here, then you click on off right here. Can you see? So with that, once people call you, your phone will stop vibrating. So these are the two settings right here on WhatsApp that you should do if you want to stop call notifications from entering. And the final setting you must do is outside of your WhatsApp. So let's go to where we have our phone setting. So once I'm right here, I'll look for where we have app management. So I'll just search for app management from this part of my phone. App management. So I'll open it. So once I open app management, so right here I'll click on app management again. So over here I'll look for where we have WhatsApp among all these several apps. Down here you can see WhatsApp down here. So I'll tap on WhatsApp. So once I tap on WhatsApp right here, you can see manage notifications. I'll tap on it. So you can see right here, allow notification, it is turned on. So the first thing you want to do right here is just turn it off. Like just turn it off. You can decide to turn it on and get to manage other settings just to avoid call from entering. Basically, once you turn it off right here, you will not receive any notifications, either messages from people, messages from group and everything. But if you just want to strictly turn off call notifications from disturbing you, just swipe down here and you'll see call notifications. So once you tap on it right here, you can see it. Just tap on off right here and you will not receive any notification on WhatsApp call again. Do you understand? And that's basically how you go about turning off your call notifications. So I believe you got value, guys. If you did, do it to like this video, drop a comment and also subscribe to this channel. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.